I think this is one of the most powerful and easy to use and definitely quickest ways to generate a market report. So we're going to do that very quickly here. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to start a little timer as of right now. So here we are at rpr.com home. Simply go up to research, click on research, and go to residential market trends. And here you can put in a neighborhood, a county, zip code, whatever you want. So I'm just going to put in for now our county. So it'll be Newcastle County. It's going to autofill even though I typed wrong, right? Delaware. Boom, it's done. So right away, we know what kind of market it is. The charts are generated immediately. We have less than a month's worth of inventory, 101% list is sold. Median days on market, 7. Oh, by the way, that took less than 1 minute, 52 seconds to be exact to do. I just timed it. Number of new listings and lots of other data for you to use just at a click of the button. Who paid for this? You did and I did. Through NAR. So they got about, I don't know, $80 million or something. And now here's the coolest part. AI is now integrated. So you could take all of this information and then ask for a script describing what it is. Not only a script, but the tone. So if you want it professional, engaging, or conversational, you can decide what audience you want. Are you speaking to buyers? In this case, maybe we are, and we want to be professional. We can analyze the metrics. We can create a video script. If we just hit on this, you have to wait all of, I don't know. It's probably going to take about 8 or 10 seconds to generate the script. And by the way, why this is doing that, please look at all this as only a rough draft. I think I heard Matt Rathbun say that in a class lately. Only a rough draft. Never take it and immediately hit send by email. But you can go through this now and say, you'll get rid of ladies and gentlemen, and just say, analyzing the correlation, different factors can influence your buying decision. So you may not say grab a cup of coffee, sit back, but you may look at in months supply, it's a remarkable 0.99. It represents the number of months it would take and goes on to define that. Then the 12-month change, and again, read it, take out what you think is not appropriate. But here's the entire analysis and a concluding paragraph as well. So there's a vivid picture here of a very vibrant real estate market characterized by low inventory, fast-selling properties, high demand. As a buyer, it is crucial to be proactive. Work closely with a knowledgeable real estate agent. Be prepared to act swiftly to secure your dream home. Happy house hunting. So you've got that, you've got the metrics, and you're now armed and dangerous. I love the data when you can do it all. Everything we've just done, we've done in 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Amazing, don't you think?